Hey guys, if you're experiencing some kind of memory fall issue on your LG TV, then keep watching, as in this video I'm going to show you how to fix that. So the very first thing we're going to do is just head over to our television remote, and from here we need to load up the settings menu. So you can either do this by pressing the home button on your TV remote, and this is going to bring up the LG home screen, and from here we can just use the arrow keys to come up to the top, and then you need to scroll across to this settings icon and press OK. Now you can just come directly to this menu by pressing the settings icon on your TV remote, and then from here we're going to scroll all the way down to all settings. Give this a couple of seconds to load, and from all settings we need to come down to support, use the right arrow key to come across, and then select software update. Now just press this check for updates button at the bottom here, and this will just scan your television to ensure we are running the latest version. And it's also a good idea to make sure auto update is enabled, and that way whenever there is a pending update, it's going to go ahead and install that automatically. So whilst we're in the settings menu, we're just going to come back out of here and then head up inside of the general tab, and then we can come across, come all the way down to devices, click inside of here, inside of TV management, and you're going to have this option for quick start. Now one way to save memory on your TV is to actually disable this quick start feature, because although it's effective for powering up your TV quickly, it does use a lot of memory. So we're just going to disable this option, and then we're just going to press the home button on our TV remote to come back over to the LG home screen. From our list of applications at the bottom down here, you're just going to scroll across, and we need to come over to the web browser, which is this application here. So just hit OK, then come over to the three vertical dots in the top right hand side, click on settings, and then we need to scroll all the way down, and you'll have this section at the bottom here for clear browsing data. So you just need to go ahead and select clear all browsing data and press yes, and then we can come back out of the web browser, back over to the home screen. And lastly, what we're going to do is we're just going to uninstall any applications that we're not currently using or that we don't need. So let's say, for example, I wanted to get rid of this channel 4 application here. All you need to do is make sure it's selected, and then we're going to hold down the OK button on the TV remote. This will bring up this trash icon above it. So you just need to use the up arrow to come over to the trash icon, and then we can press OK to delete the app. And it's as simple as that, guys. By following all of the steps in this video, that would have freed up some space on your television. If you did find this video helpful, then please consider dropping a like and subscribing. Until next time.